what would you say are the 3 fundamental reasons that your farm succeeded in the first 3 years? Because that's the most dangerous time. People are not able to survive those first 3 years. How long has it been?
It's been 2 years, 6 months and 10 days approximately.
Wow. Okay. So 2 years, 6 months you are running a farm, standing, and what would you consider that, what success have you reached, and what is the reason for you doing well?
Okay, this is a learning curve for me as well, guys. So not that I'm any expert. Of course, it's a learning curve for me. I also fall every day. I also learn every day. But 2 or 3 things that I will take to my grave is, first thing is that I knew from the very beginning that, okay, I'm not a chief minister's son. And even if I was, perhaps the chief minister's son in this parlance could have done better, is what I realized, the power of brand building. Your brand is always going to be bigger than you. Okay, so this was something that I thought of last night that I should ask. We all know Legal, right? Legal arguably is one of the best law firms of India, and it has actually one of the best lawyers, most diligent lawyers, top deal makers, and even folks in the labor law. I highly respect them because they know the laws to the notification to the T. And we have an audience, decent, healthy audience. Can anyone tell me who the owner of Legal is? Or the owner of KPMG is? Or the owner of PwC is? Point being that your brand is always going to be bigger than you. Today, if I think that, okay, I'm not going to build my brand because I have enough work, I'm comfortable, I have a comfortable life, I don't need that money anymore. Money is coming, clients will grow, word of mouth is also there, right? That's some sort of fantasy I'll be building for myself, and whilst forgetting the reality that I came from, which is of a middle class guy wanting to hustle it, with entire family thinking that, okay, he has gone crazy, he has become a businessman, after 2 years he's going to destroy everything and do something extraordinary. But point is that, so I never forgot one thing, that branding is very important. You have to stand in the market every day. I cannot today on a Friday think that, okay, it's a Friday night, let's party, let's get drunk. That doesn't happen in your work. We are lawyers, it's a profession, it's not a job. So although college you have a lot of fun, you chill a lot, things change, semantics change, you are a brand eventually. So my point being that, okay, Legal, as you are all aware, none of us knows the owner. So that's how important a brand is. And that Legal's money is going to the owner only. It's not going to any other party, it's going to that owner only. So I realized the importance of branding, and with my limited wherewithal, whatever I had, I tried to push that. Of course, I'm learning, I fall, I make mistakes, I'm not perfect at all. But whatever I could do with my limited resources, that, okay, Saturday night I'm sitting, okay, what to do? Let's write an article on, the new Dubai virtual asset regulations. Something that the clients will see that, okay, I'm into VARA, I'm doing some crypto related work, something tech and something new. So that was my one bit. Second bit was that instead of focusing on networking, I tried to make friends. So networking is a very weak, especially for folks like us who come from humble backgrounds, are not used to those high-end parties with whiskey glasses flowing, that, okay, hi, and we see a lot of people being very flamboyant, coming down from the Jaguar and saying that, hey, what's up, let's go for a golf game. And we are thinking that, okay, here I'm playing badminton and he's playing golf. How will that guy become my client? So that's a fact, right? We all face it. So this is something that you have to keep in mind, that, okay, your branding, how you are engaging with the client, what sort of picture do you put forth, all these things are extremely important for you to work. And thirdly, take every work as a $10,000 assignment. No work I have done work for the fees that I would not want to disclose, because the rest of my clients will think that, okay, I'm taking higher charges from them. But I've done that work, but I've stood in the sun. I have also stood with my lawyer at the registry in Gurgaon, standing there waiting for the registry folks to come in my suit and my cufflink, and then removing that suit, wearing black and white and coming and saying that, Janab, ye hoga, isko aise karo, iska angoota chhap karwao. So few things like that. Don't forget the power of branding. Don't always give your best to the work, and I think that's enough.